Hello everybody, so I am now once again awake. Ooh, am I redlining? It's just... was that working alright? No, I think that's alright. Let me know if the audio goes. You know what I'm like. Don't have a clue what I'm doing. So let's get back into Python. So what we're doing today is... Hi Gentoo, I haven't seen you for a while. Do it, mate. So, we are going through all these bugs that are open, and they are all the remaining programs that haven't switched over to Python 3.13, which I'm just going to call Python 13 from now on to make it easier. And just assume the 3's implied. These ones are all still using Python 12. So last night when I couldn't sleep, we did a load of bugs. A load of testing. And as you can see here, those have all been merged now. Thank you, Arthur, for doing those for me. So we're going to go and crack on with some more. So these are the thing with these is they're fucking tedious. So it's basically a lot of testing packages, making sure everything's still working well, then comparing it to older versions and reading logs and checking, seeing what we can do. So it's a lot more triage, I suppose, than anything else. What we're going to need to do is find the next one. This one probably. Ugh, I hate them. What's that? Gentoo for life? Relaxing from emotional roller coaster is saving some floppies that were clinging to death close to what it's going to take. Ooh, what was wrong with them? Bloody, like, just left out in an open field kind of thing, or just bad storage, and you had to try and recover them. I'll tell you about my exciting day in a little bit. Right, so with this, let's fire up a terminal. So we're going to use my system to do the testing, to look for bugs, and then we use a second clean area to send the patch over afterwards. This will all make sense as we go along, so just follow along and ask questions if it doesn't make sense. So I'm going to go into my... I'm going to update my portage snapshot just to make sure everything's good to start with. He said ring. Oh, Roger, yeah, I've seen some of them. The worst thing is trying to find something to read them still, though, isn't it? Like, fucking... I had my old Power Book 190 from, like, 92-ish. And I had to try and get Mac OS installed on it. In the end, I had to find a Pentium 3, which had a floppy disk drive in it, clean that out to get it to work, then write the disk to it to get the boot on the system. Oh my good god, it was awful. Right, okay, so my portage is updated here. So normally you do not edit inside of the Gentoo directories like this. Obviously for me, I'm a little bit special case. My system is set up to recover from things like this, so I know how to go back from it, but generally you never do what I'm doing. Do as I say, not as I do. That's the one, right? So let's take a look at this. We can see here that it's not been updated. So what we're going to do is just enable Python on here. So we drop 10 because it's no longer needed, and we're going to push to 13. I don't know if there are tests. It looks like tests are removed. So what we'll do is... we're using the one-shot command because it won't actually save us some world files. So when I'm finished with all this, I can do a dep clean and remove all the packages on my system. Handy little trick. I haven't seen a 5.2-inch disc in such a long time. Right, let's add that use flag. So we just use dispatch config. Right, that's going to save it to there. That's fine because I'll be removing that later. Just press U to say use that one. And now if I go and re-emerge this again, basically people that don't use Gentoo, what Portage will do is if a dependency needs a use flag to make it work, it will tell you here that you need to set it to make it work, otherwise it won't. So you know you never get into issues where something won't work because a dependency doesn't have support for it. Used to be, but yeah, it sounds like what I'll do with my Pentium 3. Well, you're not turning that 486 into a Gentoo box, though. Oh, it'd be lovely. You can start being crazy like me, then. Right, this is a sad, sad day where I'm installing Vim. I am not a Vim fanboy. And I'm probably going to have to go and learn how this shitty program works. What'd you put LFS on it for? Do something interesting, innit? Put Gentoo on it, fix some bugs. You love fixing bugs as much as I do. Bad Gentoo for life. Bad boy. Down boy. Down. Okay, so this is installing, which is good news for us. I think that told me how to use the program, so that's handy. Well, wrong fucking program. Help! Okay. So, undo. This sounds very American. Let's open up a new terminal. Vim. Yeah. Help. So the fuck of it? Oh, there we go. You know the Vim lets you undo changes. What you might not know is it doesn't keep a list of changes. It keeps... Oh! G-undo! Not gundu. Okay, it's not American. I take that back. Yeah, they still got support. I'm running... what have I got on my 486 now? I think I have 6... I've got 6.15.4. I haven't tested past that yet. But last I checked, they have not merged the patch to remove 486 support yet. Wait, so they'll just do that, yeah? Wait, let's see if I can remember out of Vim. Okay, did that work? Oh, okay. I think that works. Help! Yeah, I think that does work. Okay. Okay, let's try that then. So, let Gene. Let's try G. I think this works. Oh, you're not right. I haven't heard that word in fucking years. Why do I even remember that word as a vague memory? You know what I mean? I don't even know how old my kids are. Right. I'm happy with that. Let's fucking just send it off. Suppose I can test out... Should we test out 14? Let's test out 14. Oh shit, I don't want to do that. Let's see if it has got a test suite. Okay, that works. Well, let's be honest, them users are bloody 90 at youngest, aren't they? You know, it's got to be an average age of 90. Who doesn't love a bit of broken software, eh? Fuck you know. You're about the only person that makes me feel like I'm normal. There ain't many people out there that do that. I mean, that's an impressive achievement. So my day has been trying to get Wi-Fi to work on an Arch ISO. Do you know how shit Wi-Fi is to get to work on an Arch ISO? Terrible. Didn't pick up my built-in Broadcom driver. I thought, you know what, fair enough, that's okay. I'll test the Wi-Fi chip that's in my that came with my Starvision 5. That'll work, right? No. No firmware for that. I was like, for fuck's sake, what do? Someone on Discord had the bright idea trying USB tether. My fucking phone filters out all SSH. So I can't even do a reverse fucking SSH. I thought, well, that's fine. What I'll do is I'll just install it by hand on the shitty little laptop. No. I couldn't even ping out after that because the bloody USB tether is so fucking temperamental. Don't use it. The Gentoo ISO is so much better. Which is quite impressive because we used to recommend the Arch ISO. Well, not the Gentoo, but I did because it was better. But we've come such a long way. Now, one thing I did like about the Arch ISO though is they've got a feature that lets you enable eSpeak on boot up. So all you got to do is press down once and it'll speak to you. And I'm like, ooh, maybe we should have that in Gentoo. Kind of feel like, yeah, I feel like we're missing a trick. Is that? What's going on? What's going on? Has my system died? What the fuck? Oh. Nothing interesting there. What the fuck? That's odd. Well, let's try this. Hi Lord, how you doing, mate? Sorry, I was coming just a moment there when I was wondering what the fuck's going on. I think that's what I used to use the Arch ISO from. Was to do weird admin tasks. But oh shit. I'm not paying attention now, am I? I need to do I fucking added this to my world file, went on. What a dick. Like I say, I've been mucking around with that Arch thing thanks to my community trolling me. Not been good. 2 hours wasted on that, and so now I'm going to try and get some Python bugs fixed just to chill out, you know what I mean? Just to relax a bit. Sometimes fixing back. So basically, someone redeemed the wallpaper perk and put a message on there saying that I Hey, you want to see some Idle Slayer? We can do some Idle Slayer later on. Yeah, so someone set a wallpaper that said I promise to install Arch and use it for a month if you send 100 bits. The next stream, someone redeemed those points, not knowing that it was a joke by someone else, and now they're just saying, "Well, where's Arch?" And I'm like, "Fuck's sake!" I've kind of been played by my own community. I'm sure they do know, and they're just doing it to piss me off. But hey, I guess I'm stuck there now. Right.
Roxanne_Lunrux cheered X5. Also, when new mic, please, I beg you.
What's wrong with my mic now? Fuck's sake, let me go and have a look at the settings. Oh, I haven't got noise. I haven't got noise on cancellation on. No wonder my fucking voice has been sounding shitty. No, noise suppression is on. It's getting old, the mic is now, but I'm poor and I'm a homeless man and I'm still managing to stream. Give me some credit, girl, you know? Just can't please women nowadays. What's that? 51K6. Let's have a look. Don't know why I'm looking at this, but I am apparently. Buy less alcohol and Lord. You know, you take that sort of attitude out of this channel. We don't welcome that here. I want you to go and run around the field 15 times. Like, that's how angry I am. That you would even consider typing them words. How dare you? So I learned an interesting fact. Do you know why vodka is 37.5% in the UK? Oh, you were close. Yeah, so it's 35.7 No, 37.5, sorry, because you there's a tax break when you go over that limit. That adds £10 to the bottle. That's why the absolute bottle costs so much more. Because that one is 40%. Well, that is quite cheap. That's like 20 quid. Wonder how much it is on eBay. Let me go new private tab. I hate it when... Yeah, it looked like it was. What was it? I wonder how much the K9 is. It's even cheaper. Maybe I should just do this. Let me go onto Amazon. Hopefully Amazon does not leak where I live. Amazon does not leak where I live, thank fuck for that. It's picked a fucking completely different postcode. Yeah, 30 quid. Alright, Luna, Luna, sorry, do apologise. You owe me 30 quid for a new mic. You complain, so I'm going to blame you. Well, oh, look at that stunning one now. I want that one now. Well, look at this one. It's got a little arm and everything. You owe me 60 quid now. I'm mainly worried because I've got nowhere to put the mic that I think I can talk. Five bits. Fuck's sake. Alright, that was good. Fair, well played. Well played. Sometimes you just got to take the thing out. Oh, I can get one with green on it for an extra quid. 2 quid. I want the green one. I want it. I want it. The thing is, though, is I kind of hope that it is shit, because then I can blame you. Oh, how cool is that? I need 30 quid now. Fuck's sake. I mean, I could risk it from AliExpress. How much would that cost? Get that one. It's this one, isn't it? Oh, free shipping to United Kingdom. I might as well buy that one, ain't I, for 20 quid. Oh, someone's messaging me, hang on. Fuck's sake. You better not be true there with that, honest with that one. Maybe like clean your ears out, love. Right, there you go. You owe me £20.20 and then I'll get a new mic. There you go. I mean, I kind of wish I knew this before, because that actually is just a bottle of vodka that I could have give up once. Hmm. Okay. That seems to work. Okay, yep, we can do 13 and 14 then. I mean, let's be honest, nothing's going to be as bad as this piece of shit. Like, it's donkey's years old now, isn't it? Like, I've fallen asleep 100 times on the microphone. I'm surprised it still works as is. Right, let's open up a new terminal though. It's not really that bad though. Do I need to try and adjust the settings a bit to try and help you out? Right, let's go into here. So what we did is we tested that it works with 13 and 14. We've done some basic commands. I looked through, everything is good. At them. Alright, get add. Then we're going to use package check scan Gundo, and what this does is it does a quality insurance for us just to see if there's any issues with the e-build. We might as well fix those while we're here, right? No reports means no issues. Oh yeah, and also do remember, Maze, part of me fucking illness is my voice being a bit shitty. But it might just be, it might be depression rather than the mic being shit. Might be why some days it's better than others. Just for I get that little nail in there, you know, just in case it is a medical reason. It probably not, but just in case. Right, we do package dev next. Package dev is a wrapper for Git, but it does some helpful things to make it easier for Gentoo devs and contributors. So sign off is just going to secure it to my GPG key, and edit is going to edit the it's going to let me edit the commit message after I'm finished, and closes will add the bug ID for me, which is this one. We'll just highlight that, plug that in there. As you can see now, it's put the package name in, it's written down what I've done, it's put the bug number in for me, and now it's just for me to... Oop. Yeah. Who's messaging me now? I bet it's that bloody fan that won't fucking stop leaving me alone. Nelly, she's a bit of a fucking wild one, this one. Why does that mic look more like a bloody, fucking wand? You know what I mean? I can't check the DMs, but she's literally in the microphone. It looks like a fucking magic wand fucking vibrator. Is that actually any good, that one? Like, I do genuinely trust you, Roxy, so if you say it's good, I would take that. I mean, let me, yeah, put the link in the chat so I can show everyone here, please. And sorry, Gentoo, for I've really got S. So you're looking for files for NatWare 3.12 server. My friend might have that. You know what? Let me ask him for you now. Yeah, it'll probably take me a while to come back with an answer, so you're gonna have to idle around. But I can at least ask the question. Bear with. Right, I've asked that question for you, Gentoo for Life. I mean, to be fair, is there a better wallpaper than this? Nice day for fishing. But if you've got 6k votes, you go and do what you want to do with them. Oh, I haven't got a USB-C to see. I've only got Right, so I've now signed the commit. I'm now going to push that. I was saying, you can't get rid of Balin, can you? But if you want to get rid of, if you want to change the wallpaper, feel free. That's what the thing's there for. You can change it to whatever you want, as long as it's not porn or anything like that. Just send me the link over. I did not know that, Prang, and I probably don't even want to go and have a look into that. I think Gentoo's a little bit buggered though if we want to get away from Python. Right, let me just send that one off. Okay, so that's all done. Let's go and get this wallpaper. Trains! I do kind of like that. My old boss would have loved that. He was a right fucking anorak with trains. He used to tell me off for calling just the engine on its own a train rather than a locomotive. There you go. Very nice. Okay, so we've done this one. I've always been more of a plane guy myself. More American fighter jets. Not American fighter. More fighter jets. I don't know why I said American fighter jets. I guess for some reason America and war come together in my head for some reason. But I think it comes back. I went to an air show when I was a kid, like 14, and it was when the Eurofighter just got made, or was just being sold. Ever since then, I've been a bit of a nerd for planes. It's quite hard to find someone in the UK that likes trains, though. Privatisation was shit for us. Made trains even worse, and they weren't great before privatisation. Right, so we got that one nailed. Let's go and see. So if I go and refresh on here, that'll update later on. But for now, let's go and pick the next one. Ugh. I don't want to do Vim stuff. Why am I making Vim better? So the car I say on the right, the OG that ran in the Metro since 1935. The one on the left, an A1717. Chewing Chai workhorse of the Soviet Union. They don't still have them on the tracks. I kind of imagine, like, from the image of Russia we get, I kind of imagine those old Soviet era stuff would still be running. I don't know why. It's probably an outdated thought. Right, let's go check this out. Probably want to go and do this package. Oh my good god. Ooh, where the fuck am I? Cheers, Maze. Right, let's go. Let's go DB repos. Let's put this in a better place. Gentoo, apps, Vim. You know what we could do? If you find a microphone, we could turn the tonation go away from vodka into a fill up to get a microphone. Then I can't spend it on vodka, I have to spend it on a microphone. Although, someone did once send me money for a really good microphone and I had to spend it on food. But that was the month I got made homeless, so not entirely my fault. I did need to eat. Okay, let's give this a go. Oh, I need to go and change. I can take my shoes off for a second. Bear with me. Old man noise time. Okay. Oh. Oh. Ah, shit. Okay. Ah. Alright, there we go. Should be a bit more comfier now. Right, let's try loading Vim up there. Not Bim. Vim. Help. Iris.text it should be. That's interesting. I feel like I'm going to have to test this one offline, otherwise you're going to see all my emails. Now let's move on for now. I'm not sure. Look, I've not seen one in the middle aisles in Lidl. I've been looking. I love a middle aisle shop to sell. Let's So what did we say? It was £20.20, wasn't it? I'll get you, but I can't find one. I can just put it on my bed anyway and just talk to it. Oh, fuck off. What's this gonna be? No! Oh. You made me groan. Do I need this use flag then? It won't take long to fucking add bullets, let's just do it. No. Oh, okay. Well, it's not that then. Yeah, give me... I'll just find the bloody thing. I'll do it, it'll be quicker. Wingdoms, yeah? Wing... Webdings. There, this one. Yeah? Would that be acceptable? I hope you're happy. You really owe me a new microphone. Oh. Yeah, we'll just use this one. Yes, I am. I don't know why I'm laughing so much. it's tickled me, that one. Right, then let's do... Sake. Come on. Image, canvas size. Let's increase the width as well by what, 300. Probably don't need it that much. Why can't I fill the back in? Right. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Ah. Look at this fucking brilliant artwork skills. Like, I bet you wish you guys could do art as good as I can. I did not know you do design. Do you want to be my free artist? Did you know that I don't do design? Oh, undo. Well, I mean, it does kind of work, doesn't it? Why has that gone weird? How do I just get rid of the top bit? Where's the crop tool? Oh, what if I just highlight what I want and then just crop to selection? You're awesome sometimes. Where's the image? Shit. Ah. How's that? Oh, look how great that looks. Right, let's get back to Python. So, you should leak this team key. What if someone decent can fucking stream? Oh. Right, let's crack back onto this. So, yeah, we just tried looking at Iris, and I don't think I can do that on stream because I'm going to leak some email stuff if I do that. So what we'll do instead is go and check something else. You know what? I don't want to do app stuff. Okay, let's look at this one. This should have a what's the word I'm looking for? This should have a test suite, shouldn't it? Yes, it does. So we can test this one. And what's that, Billy? This is my update for a few hours now. You know, here we do updates that take weeks, so a few hours is good. Okay, so let's go and find a terminal I was using. Right, dev builds. And Gentoo for life, I'd like to see that Doc Matrix font, honestly. I'm a little bit upset that I can only do one font change a day, because I am stuck with this until someone changes it. Oh, we're already done. Wow, that sounds like a nice one. Did Sam enable the 99? Yeah, he did. Right, what's the next one we got? Cass. What the fuck is Cass? Oh, someone's already done this one. Sam's monitoring as well. Excellent. Oh, did my friend reply to me? He hasn't messaged me back yet. Remind me next stream and I'll tell you if he does. Well, he might come back to me today. Alright, so let's go check this one out. Hopefully this one's got a test with it. I don't know how we're going to do it without. Oof. Could look at bumping it. Let's go have a look. I do not. I might just ask this guy to I don't think I can do this one. I don't know enough. We're going to do this one, that. Okay, let's go and take a look at this on the package list. Maybe we can... It does have a test. A new target? A new target for what? Oh yeah, Python 13's been out for ages, love. When did you not know that? You need to start following your news. We're already working on 14. I'm just doing the trails for 13 while I'm there. I should automatically do it. They should automatically have updated for you. Should we give this guy... For fuck's sake. How long has this guy been doing it for? Fuck it, let's fix it. This should be a fun one. Come on, let's X out of harm. They wouldn't be using nut as a file name nowadays, would they? No, shit. Yes. He was. Right, Starlet should be upper bound. Was that? It needs cross-compiler, obviously, right? Yeah, so someone needs to add cross-compiler support, otherwise you have to use QEMU. I have got notes on where all that stuff needs to be added, if you want to crack on with it. If you're good with Python, you should be alright with it. Right, was that WS Proto? Okay. Okay, so this guy should have given us all the information to get this to work. What have I broke? Look at this. Oh, I see. Look, there's two. Right, so invalid bottle. Mm-hmm. Right, let's... fuck's sake. This one. Ow, my leg's gone.
Roxanne_Lunrux cheered X5. I don't like snakes, they're too smooth.
What? Spicy spaghetti, aren't they? Spicy noodles, that's what people call them, innit? Right, why? Have a nice nap anyway, Lauren, my friend, and I'll catch you later. Right, so that works. Why does that work? Try that. That does it? Okay. Why? Did I not change? Well, that works, doesn't it? Yeah. What the fuck is that working? Because this needs 13 support. Mm-mm. Well, that's got 13 support. Okay, I need to rebuild that, then it should work. Got it. Oh, I see. I see. I see. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm? Okay, so let's fix that. Let's go and build this quickly. What a fucking mess that was. You missed the fun run. So we've just fixed Platform IO. Someone did a bump, half-ass bump, bless them, for their first ever patch. What a nasty one to pick. Some guy left some tips. So I've just stole those tips and seen if I can turn it into an actual e-build. I tell you what, if that was my first one, I'd probably run away as well. Well, yeah, I've done stuff before.
Children of the land, do you hear echoes of truths that once rang clear? Two souls intertwined.
Oh, I think my friend's messaged. My friend did message. My friend did not message.
But flames that burn full bright soon fell dark. Memories dimmed by shadowed hearts. In the waxing gloom did wane the lover's moon, watching as their worlds drift apart.
Fuck's sake, I've just had Maze's girlfriend email me to tell me off. I need to fix these. Right, so okay, that's done. So if I do with test steps now. There are none. So what I can do is... Oh.
Swelling over long seas of blood are a song, and death an afterthought to those who fight for none. A throne lying empty.
Hmm. Hmm.
Children of the land, answer
The only thing I hate about Nano, it doesn't auto indent.
why must you turn to empty bliss? Tell me why break trust? Why turn the past to dust? Seeking solace in the abyss. Tell me why create a circle none can break? Why must you let go the life you were bestowed? This I
Let's see if that works. Mm-hmm. Oh, fuck's sake. The guy's fucking done it. I missed that before. Now I feel like a dick. So sorry if you watch this stream. Let's see what they did. Oh, I see. So they had test misc there. Is that all I missed? Okay, where am I? Oh my god, why? There we go. XR, you cunt! Right, platform. I guess. Come on, what's going on? Right, let me where is that fucking... Do I? What's happening today? Let me just type this and then we'll go through it. We are... What are we doing? We are going through this list of packages, which are the remaining stragglers in Gentoo, which haven't yet been ported from Python 3.12 to 3.13, which I'm just going to call 12 and 13 from now on. We're going through each one individually. We're running tests on it to make sure everything is okay, and then bumping, poking or fixing wherever possible. We've done quite a few in the past, so I think this is like our 50th one. It's not exactly hard work, it's just time consuming. And here, let me show you one. As you just seen, we've just wasted about an hour on that last one where we got nowhere. But what we can do is we can check this. So what we do is you grab the package name straight off the bat. We go here, we go to packages.gentoo. We chop that there. And we can see here it is not using Python 13 yet. So, what we're going to go and do is see if we can enable. So we fire up a terminal. Okay, so we've added 30, we've disabled 10 support and set the minimum to 11 because I think it's going in Gentoo, if I remember rightly. So basically, Python deprecates features and warns upstreams that something's going away well in advance. So we're talking a good 5 to 6 years from what I've seen. So it's always the upstream authors that are fucked up normally. Occasionally, we do find some issues with Python itself. I can only think of one. I uncovered ages ago that on muscle-based libc that xtars, xatars, never pronounce it, doesn't build on Python. We found out by pure chance looking at some at another bug. Yeah, that's the one. We got enough information from that bug to go and find it, and guess what we found? Bloody Alpine found it 5 years ago and never told anyone. We got it fixed and upstreamed the same day. Fucking, that's one of the reasons why I dislike Alpine. They used a hack fix, because I mean it did work, but it was a hack. But it was literally a case of me going to a Python developer saying, I found this. This doesn't look right. They went, nope, you're right. And then I showed them the patch that I found from Alpine that fixed it, and they went, ah. They then complained about them for a good 20 minutes about them not upstreaming it. Cleaned up the patch. I'll say cleaned up the patch. Redid the patch to actually make it upstreamable, and it was fixed the same day. Like, we spent longer moaning at Alpine than we did actually fixing the problem, you know what I mean? But that's the only one I can think of, and I don't really think that's a regression. I think it's just something that no one's ever reported, that no one's noticed it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's close some of these windows down. Let's get the trains at the Gentoo for life. Where we go here? How do you get those in there? Under Mate, preferences, look and feel, and appearances, fonts. Basically, there is a viewer reward on my stream that when you get 3,000 Twitch points, you can change the window title to whatever, font to whatever you want. Okay, so that's not fucking Python. So what the fuck's using Python? Let's enable the use flags. Oh, have I not enabled Python? Is that why? That's going to be me being rather stupid if I haven't. Oh, that could be why. I think. Where's the Python not working? You haven't fucking added it, you twat. Fuck's sake. Oh, you can't fix stupid, can you? Fucking hell. Yeah, JTAG's basically when your hardware dies, you can flash firmware and stuff on it. You know that, Gentoo Linux. I was trying to figure out what part of the program uses Python. That's what I was trying to do, because that's how you got to test it, because obviously the main program doesn't always use it. But you need to do some sort of runtime test to make sure this works. Again, this is why this is so tedious, because you've got to figure out a way to make a test out of software that doesn't have a test. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, it's a Python binding. Where'd the music go? Where's the music go? No, let's play it again. Where was that thing I was looking at? Here it is. Right, okay. Hmm. Right, I think this is fine. Was it dev embedded? Right, let's do the QA test. Excellent. See you later on, Gentoo. Nice seeing you. Always a pleasure. That working? Hi, Lim.
Say my love is all you need to see you through. But I know these words are not quite true. Here you must move on alone. I'm gonna make it on my own. Kiss me goodbye. Love's memories. Follow your heart and find your destiny. Won't shed a tear for love's mortality. You put that dream in my reality. Time goes by, I know you'll see this of me. I love you will not
Where we get to? Last bar.
go. I will give you wings to fly. Cast all your fear into the sky. Kiss me goodbye.
Oh shit, what have I done? Let's go back. Okay. Get push, get home, but oh, there we go. Right, let's send that off. Hi, Smart Gaming, how you doing? Thanks for joining. Well, Mr. Russia. Russia? That sounds pretty cool anyway, doesn't it? Right, well, that was a fucking horrible one. Anyway. Let's hope we get a nice one next. I mean, obviously, there's a reason why everything's left to the end, isn't there? No one's there leaving the nice ones for you to do, are they? They're just leaving the ones they don't care about. So that's 2 nasties we've had so far. Please give me a nice one to do next. One that I would like to do. Is learning programming worth it anymore? Well, it's a cutthroat industry because everyone's kind of learned to code nowadays. But it's good to have it under your belt. I mean, you can use it as a system admin, which is still going well for good money. You can use it in networking. So even just having some Python under your belt ain't gonna be bad, is it? I mean, it's asking me is probably a difficult one though, because I just build distributions for companies to use. For specific tasks. So my coding needs are very, very small. What the fuck's going on with this one? I feel like I just want to... Right, is that the same? Okay, so if I go... here... here... I want that one. Put that there. Yeah. You know what? Let's just nope out of that one, I think. I don't like the look of that. And if this doesn't have a test suite, I ain't doing this one either. Should have a test suite though. So what a test suite is, if you don't know, it's an internal test that tells you if there's any issues with any other internal programming. It does have a test suite. Excellente. So what we can do with this one is bump it and get rid of it at the same time. So let's do that. So I'm going to use a package called a tool called package diff. I cannot remember the syntax for package diff, so let's apparently bust my computer. And what it does, it checks packages and lets you know if there's anything new. Yeah, we can use this to test. So, hopefully, if I show you this way, so if I do old and new. I think that's good. Right, let's check build system only. Let's get the right terminal. I think that's fine. What did Ion have? I think he had a little tool that told me. QAVD, that's it. Let's use this. This will tell me if anything's not wired up. Because I need to do it as a whole. Maybe I need to emerge it. Ooh. Right, so let's do GDL. Let's fuck up the command. How are we looking here? Just need to add a build dependency. So let's do yes to that. Let's let's do dispatch config to update my special use flag folder I got to delete later on. Let's rebuild and add with test steps this time. Okay, so that's going to build. We'll let that go through once, and then we'll build it again with a test suite. I'm going to go for a quick wee, so I'll be back in a bit. Let's have a look. What's failing here? Huh? Minimum version is fucking... What? We're doing Devling GDL, which it's pretty low end in tiers, but it's got a test suite, so I thought I'd give it a go. Nano. See how that goes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know how to do that one. Someone else can figure that one out. Fuck am I touching that? Jerry script? Love the name of that. Already done? Excellent! Fuck for that. Oof. Oof. Right, let's go here. Oof, darling. QU prologue. Fuck yeah, now that sounds awful. Hmm. Does have Python. Hmm. Eli's looked at that one. You know what? That's good enough for me to say no thank you. Spider monkey. Ooh, that's gonna be nasty. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right, no tests, so I can't really do that one. There's a test on this one though. Happy days. I'll take that. Brilliant. Mm-hmm. Fuck me. I think this will be the last one though. I've been doing this for 3 hours now. I think it's using... Sometimes it's worth checking if it worked with 12. Oh, good God. I did it. I don't know why that did it, but it did it. Maybe I should add 14 support as well. At least I'll be ready. Oh, shit. Understood. Okay. going for it. Fuck me, it's midnight already. How long have I been doing this? What time do I even start? Fucking time flies, doesn't it? Oof. I think you showed me that one before. Got a vague memory of it. What mod is called? I can go on my server. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. I'm looking at my laptop screen where my where the chat is. I'll put it in there. I'll put it on YouTube as well if anyone really wants to join. I'm not overly active, but hey, it's there. Oh, nice. It's like snake. Is that the one that eats the screens that goes across? Oh, I've got more fucking rebuilds to do. Oh, it just moves around the screen. It's pretty cool. Ooh, what the fuck happened there? Why is fucking setup tools failing? Oh, right. I think I'm gonna have to call it here. I've yeah, 3 hours 10. I don't know how I managed to lose so much time into this. But my brain is switching off. So I'm gonna have to thank you all for coming along today and following us for so long. I don't know how you did it, to be honest. You crazy lot. But for now, I'm gonna go and put my head down, put my head under the wings and have a little kip.